Your WooCommerce page not showing products? A page displaying the wrong content, but there's no error? A random 404 on something that definitely exists? Before you debug anything, try this. 10 seconds, no code, no reinstalling plugin, just this. This is the restart of your computer for WordPress. And once you understand why it works, you will reach for it every time something looks off. I've been building WordPress since 2011, and this fix saved me hundreds of hours. If you've worked long enough with WordPress, you've seen this. WooCommerce cart page is blank, suddenly. Custom post type archive is not showing after, for example, an update. A plugin special page, well, it doesn't work. The content is there. The settings are right, and even the slug is correct. But the front end is broken. Either there's a 404 error, or the page is white, or the content part is missing, or it looks like WordPress is rendering another page. And every time some developer says, well, flush your permalinks, and somehow it works. Let me show you what is actually happening. So here is what WordPress is really doing when you hit on this save button. WordPress maintains a giant lookup table, a map that covers URLs like shop, cart, into the right database queries and page templates. When this map is kind of out of sync, WordPress doesn't know that /shop/ would load the WordPress product grid, so it just loads a generic page. Saving permalinks rebuild this entire map from scratch, and magically the page content shows. So the second thing WordPress is doing is WordPress also rewrites your .htaccess file. This tells your server if something requests a URL that isn't a real file, like /shop/ is not a folder. It is a logic in WordPress and not a physical folder on your server. That should go through WordPress and not the file server. So if this file is missing or corrupted, requests never reach WordPress properly. So there you got a 404 error, and on this click on permalinks, the part of WordPress is restored or is corrected or something else. And this is the magic behind this. Finally, WordPress stores these combined rules in the database. Plugins like WooCommerce or any other plugins can register with a hook their own rules on activation. But if this registration didn't complete properly or got overridden by an update or something like this, these rules are missing. So page is blank or in 404 error. Saving everything forces everything to re-register. So when should you actually use this? So here's my rule. When something looks off, flush first the permalinks or click on Save Permalinks. As long you're not changing these values, saving the changes is completely safe. Not deleting anything, just regenerating from current state. But one warning. Do not flush everything rules on your code on every page load. I've seen developers do this thinking they're being clever, but this kills your performance. Only flush on plugin activation hooks or for manual troubleshooting. By the way, I'm Tobias Dirksen, CEO of a software agency in Cologne. Since 2011, we've been developing websites with WordPress and web-based software. My current passion is AI, exploring how we can use it to build better, faster. And if you're interested in that, follow the channel. Next time your WordPress content looks wrong, WooCommerce is broken, plugin pages empty, custom post types not showing, don't panic, don't reinstall, don't dig through settings of our. Just restart it.